What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for January 2019? The Vancouver Westside Single Family market is favoring buyers, and Kitsilano is no exception. Usually Kitsilano does quite well and is a really strong community, but not lately. As for the rest of the single family market in the Westside, Kitsilano is also favoring buyers. Only 3 homes sold in the entire Kitsilano neighborhood last month, which is very, very weak. The most expensive home sold for $2.8 million, which would have bought you a 25-year-old home on 15th Avenue and MacDonald. The least expensive home sold for $1.5 million, and this was a small lot, only 31 feet wide by 86 feet deep, small lot, old heritage home, right at Belaclava. So not a lot of activity. 27 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano, so to have 3 homes sell, again, is very weak. That's only 11% of the homes selling in December. And remember that the real estate board defines a buyer's market when anything under 14% of the homes sell in a given month. So 3 out of 27 homes available, very weak, with 11% of the homes selling in Kitsilano. Sold values in Kitsilano are lower than what we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver West Side. When you look at the median price for your typical detached home, the average price in the rest of the West Side single family market is right around $3.1 million, whereas the median price for Kitsilano is $2.6 million as of December 2018. Remember that when you look at median prices, you're organizing the pricing from high to low or low to high, and you're choosing the middle value. So we don't really have a lot of data to choose from in Kitsilano, but regardless, we're about $500,000 lower in Kits than we are in the rest of the Vancouver West Side detached market, which right now is around $3.1 million. If you'd like to take a look at these 3 homes that sold, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got up to 10 photographs for each of these 3 properties that sold, and you can download that information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And as always, you can reach me anytime on my cell phone at 604-808-9796. And thank you so much for listening today.